sakhe leso guys akusona sami isinqumo sakhe. Isinqumo sakhe bafethu usamkelo kahlahle ngaliwe. Umbali waliwe. Yes, ngidalelwa kuyena, uqinisile ngidalelwa kuyena but ke. Hey guys, into enzalayo sithi nazi ukuthi mina nosamkelo siyaphuza ndawonye sidla utshwala so all right. So yeah. Kwenzekile ke the last time saphuza okokuqala nje indaba yethu la yaqala ukuxabana kwethu sixabana indaba utshwala. Guys, even ngicela uxoxa indaba qala ngingaqali likhulume ningaboza ukuthi uthini. Okay, kade ngixolisa guys ngixolisile namanje futhi namanje live namanje ngiyaxolisa kusamkelo. I think nowabonile wonke ama conversation ukuthi bengixolisa but ke njengoba sila eGoli asipatshaniswanga ukuthi mhlambe ngidaliwe ngamthuka njengoba kade siphuza no guys. Into enzekile usamkelo kube nje lokuthi sidala nje okungatheni sihleli sisonke nabo cameraman bakhe. So beno cameraman bakhe konke kade beyisho bengayithandi kumina sesiphuzile kanti. So lento balale beyisho bevumelana nabo u2. Bevumelana nabo u2. So mina mase ngiphakamisa izwi ngokusho ukuthi angisayithandi lento abayishoyo. So iphutha lami shuse libe lapho like shuse guys mina bekufanele ngithule mina usamkelo no cameraman wakhe bakhulume lezi ndaba beyikhuluma bengayithandi ne shuse ngabe kufanele ngithule iphutha lami libe lapho ukuthi ngiphakamisa izwi ngitshela ukuthi no angisayithandi lento abayishoyo. Okay, angazi noma ubengicuphile yini futhi behlezi uyasho ukuthi leyo nto ukuthi ngamthuka le eThekwini ubengakuyidlulisi. But ke mina ubengangitshela ukuthi ubengakuyidlulisi leyo nto. All along mina I was thinking right because bengangisi right because ngaxolisa like guys yes ngalenza iphutha ngiyavuma ngidakiwe sidakiwe so2. Sidakiwe so2 ngakhuluma ngaze ngakhuluma amagama lawa enhlezi ekhuluma yini. Hayi ngoba ngangiqondile but it's just into ehlezi ila ekhanda lami because into yokuthi ni guys nani into enikhulumayo la. Uyayibona not ukuthi ngangiqondile but ke guys.
Yo guys, molweni namkelekile nonke kweziChisabay Entertainment. So this will be part 2 of Samkelo Shezi noHlengiwe wakwakhe. Basically mini divorcing each other. Yo guys, inentsike into enzekileyo. If awukambukela part 1 of my video guys, please go and watch part 1 because andifuni ukuzirepeata kule video. But his summary of it all was that uSamkelo uthi he is done and dusted ngoMbali, famously known as uHlengiwe, because ungumuntu ongamameliyo, uba inhlobongela xa iselile amkinge, furthermore amthuke athi uyamyuza atsho zonke izinto. Now of course uMbali from her side yena she does not understand why couple but abakwazi ukuzenza izinto ezenziwa intoni i-couple. Kuthiwa ke utata lona akafuni ukumjabulisa. Andazi ba how better I can put it, but like ihlofhlofu kuthiwa ke utata lona ebengafuni into ba mabayenze. Uyachaza ke utata apha uthi unfortunately akekho eseke ngalala naye kusukela kwisithembu sakhe ke naboHlengiwe. Uthi ke utata apha I really respect myself ngoba engabe today kufa elam igama kuthi ngidlala ngabantu ngilale nabo. Ihlazo mina ngifana nevirgin. Ulala nami ngoba sengiready nawe. Ngibona ukuthi usuready. Igama lami ngalilwela angifisi life noma kanjani nje. Kube ngalala noMbali mina ngabe kade yaphela lento yethu and konke okwenziwa abantu abajulayo besikwenza besides ucansi ngiyema lapho. However guys guys 1 year wonke niyajola nenza yonke into but ucansi is literally where you draw the line. Hi sana. So people further went on to say that ubungamthandi manyani wena uMbali, you were just using her for content. You were also not physically attracted to her. Maybe that is the reason as to why umhlawumbe ningakhange nilale. But also guys, uHlengiwe, remember uHlengiwe lowa kwisithembu naye watsho the same thing intoba uSamkelo akafuni kubenuza. This is where he draws the line. So it's not even about uMbali or ifault kaMbali okanye the way people are saying she looks or whatnot, but even uHlengiwe herself has said uSamkelo when it comes to ucansi, that is where he draws the line. So yeah guys, nazo ke indaba zehora. Would you keep on dating someone for a year okwenzela konke but ucansi is where he literally draws the line? Let me know guys, go comment and nizonibona shortly. Thank you for joining. Bye.
Ukuthi ubengakuyidlulisi leyo nto. All along mina I was thinking right because bengangisi right because ngaxolisa like guys yes ngalenza iphutha ngiyavuma ngidakiwe sidakiwe so2. Sidakiwe so ungakhuluma ngaze ngakhuluma amagama lawa ehlezi ekhuluma yini. Hayi ngoba ngangiqondile but it's just into ehlezi ila ekhanda lami because into ukuthi ni guys nani into enikhulumayo la. Uyayibona? Not ukuthi ngangiqondile but ke guys ke ngazama ukuxolisa and yena uSamkelo guys akafuna ukuxola and nama ayikho into engayenza bafethu umzamile ukuxolisa. Ngaxolisa nangesikhathi yenzeka lento ngaxolisa like manje njengamanje ngisho pride. Of course guys uSamkelo ngeke ngize kumthanda engamthanda uSamkelo ngiyamthanda guys. Usamkelo ngiyamthanda because kuningi asesikwenzile ndawonye it's been good to me ube indoda right nenothando and everything right ne ukuthi kuphela kusho sengiwenzile yena ngeke asakwazi ukuthi akumele so ya no asikho isidingo sokuthi guys ngithi uSamkelo asikho ngempela bafethu isinqumo sakhe naye leso like kusho use right ngethelo kwenza yazi ngani ukuthi ngayichaza ngithi mina lento bafethu. Then intombazane naphuza sesuyiphuza ngiyazi ukuthi sekuyiphuza bathi sisuke sijabulile sonke guys kumnandi nama enje kuthi bengathandi ngisho ukuthi ngikhulume bengithi mina nizobona senibona nje ukuthi we are no longer together but ke sengithi nami Nkosi yami mfethu guys ayikho into engayenza ngizamile yazi ayikho into engashintsha ngayo because yena njengamanje ngizondela into engayisho lo ngithanda go hayi manje ngangithi mhlambe lento ayokhuzayo into yamanje ya bengake ukuphuza bese ngizokuya kanjani sengijile already so futhi ngisesengikhula ngitshela abantu ngeke ngize video because usengilahlile guys already ngaliwe ngiyaqoba kodwa ngizoba right guys mina asiqondile bantu ngomzisi ubhlungu but uSamkelo guys isinqumo sakhe asithathile leso and ayikho nathi into esingayenza mina nani ayikho into esingayenza cause uyena wazi ukuthi uzizwa kanjani yabo. So ngizoba right kubhlungu namina kubhlungu very painful guys kade ngikhala like ubusuku bonke usuku lonke izolo yabo but ngizoba right. Vele ngisho njalo ukuthi hey content akusiyo ni content manje ngangifisa ngabe content so wish but akuyona content guys. Kade ngimncenga nje ngofisa kade ngimncenga ngizamile nje kakhulu ukuncenga bakithi ngizamile angazi mhlawumbe nama conversation engakusho ukuthi like angazi ngakhipha igama lokuthi uyangiuza yes ngangidakiwe and ngirong ngiyalivuma phisa but manje asangiqoleli guys mangixolisa into ngifanele guys yini ngifanele ayikho indlela engingenza ngayo guys futhi nje ukuthi Samkelo nisonke ukuthi sehlukene thina.